Okay, you guys ready to get started?
Yeah, let's do it.
Who are you? And what do you guys
Good
do?
question.
It's very existential.
My name's Kevin Tibbs, and I am co-founder of Better Life with Tim Barkledge, and I work as a formulation chemist and develop all of the products.
Hi, my name is Tim Barkledge, and I am also a co-founder of Better Life. We started the company about almost 10 years ago to the day, I guess.
Right.
And we both have girls that are the same age, and the two families were together and watching the girls crawl around the floor and getting into things, and we started talking about cleaning products. And that's where the initial spark happened.
You know, we wanted to make things healthy and wholesome, and the brand is all about natural and things that are better for life. As a consumer, I want to know what I'm bringing into my home and putting around my pets and my kids, and most of the products, cleaning products on the shelves today, you don't have that information.
You know, today's customers are expecting something that is different than what they're used to buying.
For us, we wanted something different, something very open and transparent, because we were proud of the ingredients that we were using. They were very natural, and best of all, they worked.
Cleaning's a part of our lives, whether we want to admit it or not, and so why not make it fun?
You know, we wanted to stand out in every way possible. So, you know, you see it in the packaging. The packaging is fun and bright and lively. It looks very different than everything else on the shelf because the product inside it is very different. For me, a lot of the inspiration for new products comes from listening to the customer. And when our customer talks to us about products that they're looking for, I think that motivates us to create a better solution.
Yeah, truly, our company is where it is today because of our customers, and without them, we would be nowhere.
Once everybody has a bottle of Better Life product in their home and Better Life is a household name, that's success to me.